Food. Where does it come from? What happens when we feel hungry? We eat chapati or roti and rice, bread and butter, fruits, vegetables and pulses, eggs, meat, chicken and fish, drink milk, etc. Thus, anything which we eat to live is called food. Food is necessary for us because it gives us energy to work and provides matter for the growth of our body. Hence, food is a substance eaten by us to do work, grow, maintain our body, and remain healthy. Just as a car needs petrol or diesel to move, a human body needs nutritious food to function properly. Not only human beings but animals also need food to survive. Thus, food is very precious for life. Living beings cannot survive without food. We should not waste food in any way. The food that we eat should not only suit our taste, lifestyle, habits and availability, but also provide nutrients to our body. Our food mainly consists of milk, milk products like curd and cheese, cereals like wheat, rice and pulses, eggs, fish, sugar, butter, fruits and vegetables. This is called variety in food. Food items and their ingredients. Boiled rice is made by using 2 ingredients, water and raw rice. Even chapati or roti is made of only 2 ingredients, flour, atta and water. Flour is the powder obtained by grinding grain, usually wheat grain. Vegetable curry is made by using many ingredients like different types of vegetables, salt, spices, cooking oil and water. A dish of dal can be made by using many ingredients such as pulses, urad, moong, masoor, etc. Salt, spices, cooking oil and water. Please note that urad dal is black gram, moong dal is green gram, whereas masoor dal is lentil. Idli is made by using many ingredients like rice, urad dal, salt and water. Kheer is made by using ingredients like rice, milk and sugar. Omelette is prepared by using ingredients like eggs, salt, spices and cooking oil. Chicken curry is made by using many ingredients such as chicken meat, salt, spices, cooking oil and water. Mutton curry is made by using many ingredients like mutton, meat of goat or sheep, salt, spices, cooking oil and water. Fish curry is made by using many ingredients such as fish, meat, salt, spices, cooking oil and water. From the above table, we have observed that cooking oil, water, salt and spices are some common ingredients used to prepare different types of food. The cooking oil includes groundnut oil, mustard oil, sunflower oil and coconut oil, etc. Instead of cooking oil, we can also use ghee to prepare food or cook food. Ghee, also called desi ghee, is made from milk. Sources of food, plants and animals. We all know that food is essential for living beings. Now, can anyone tell me from where do we obtain food? We obtain food from plants and animals. Let us discuss them in detail. Plants. The food grains like wheat, rice, maize, pulses, fruits and vegetables which we eat come from various types of plants. The plants also give us oils like groundnut oil, mustard oil, coconut oil and sunflower oil, etc., which are used in cooking food. Sugar, spices, tea and coffee are also obtained from plants. In fact, Plants are the major source of food for human beings and other animals. Animals. Animals provide us food materials such as milk, eggs, chicken, meat, fish, and honey. The animals like cow and buffalo, goat and camel gives us milk. The hens provide us eggs and chicken. Goat and sheep give us meat or mutton. Fish and prawn are also animals which are used as seafood by many people. Honey is another food material provided by animals. Honey is prepared by the insects called bees or honeybees. Plant parts as food. The various parts of plants which are used as food materials by us are roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. Let us study the parts of plants used as food materials in detail. Plant roots as food. Some plants store food in their roots. We eat the roots of such plants as food. Some of them are carrot, radish, beetroot, sweet potato, and turnip. Plant stems as food. Some plants store food in their stems, which are actually modified underground stems. We eat the stems of such plants as food. Some of them are onion, potato, ginger, garlic, and turmeric. Plant leaves as food. We eat many leafy vegetables such as spinach, palak or saag, mustard leaves, also called sarson ka saag, cabbage and lettuces. Flowers as food. The flowers of some of the plants are eaten as food, such as flowers of banana plants, flowers of pumpkin plants, sunflower, gladiolus, dandelion, and jasmine. Fruits as food. There are some plants which store food in their fruits, so we eat the fruits of such plants as food. These are as follows: apple, orange, peach, mango, pear, banana, plums, grapes, guava, and pomegranate, etc. Similarly, the vegetables such as tomatoes, brinjal, lady's finger, pumpkin, and chilies, etc., which we eat as food, are actually the fruits of the respective plants. Seeds as food. Some of the plants store food in their seeds. So we eat the seeds of these plants as food. For example, the food grains such as wheat, maize, rice, sorghum, millet, Bengal gram, chana, peas, and pulses are all seeds of their plants. We use the seeds of wheat plants, called wheat grains, to make flour for making chapati, bread, and noodles, etc. Groundnut, mustard, and soya bean are called oil seeds because they are used to extract edible oils which are used for cooking food. Sprouts, a nutritious food. When the seed begins to grow or germinate by developing the tiny roots, they are called sprouts. The food value of some type of seeds can be increased. Sprouts का मतलब हिंदी में अंकुरन भी होता है। क्या अंकुरन? आपने कभी भी चने में अंकुरन देखा होगा जो वाइट स्ट्रक्चर का होता है, उसे ही स्प्राउट्स कहते हैं। By converting them into sprouts, the sprouts contain more of vitamins A, B, and C, which makes them a more nutritious food. The method of making sprouts from seeds is called sprouting. The seeds of moong, moat, and chana are usually converted into sprouts in our homes to make snacks. Let us perform an activity based on sprouting of chana. Step 1. Take about 50 gram seeds of chana. Step 2. Put them in a vessel containing water and keep them overnight. Step 3. Next day, remove the chana from water. Step 4. Wrap the chana in a piece of wet cloth and keep them aside for 1 day. Step 5. Sprinkle water from time to time on the piece of cloth to keep it wet. Step 6. After a day, open the wrap and you can find tiny white structures grown out of the chana. Now we say that the chana have sprouted. The sprouts can be boiled and eaten as a snack after adding salt and
spices.
Animal products as food.
एनिमल का प्रोडक्ट जो कि फूड के रूप में हम लोग यूज करते हैं, जैसे कि मिल्क.
Milk can be used for drinking purposes. It can also be converted into other useful products called milk products, such as curd, butter, ghee, and cheese, or paneer. Eggs, chicken, mutton, and fish.
These all are the example of animal product as food.
The eggs can be eaten in the form of boiled eggs, omelette, egg curry. Chicken, mutton, and fish are used to prepare a large number of dishes. Fish also gives us cod liver oil, which is rich in vitamin A. Cod is a kind of fish. As discussed earlier, honey is a food material which is produced by insects or honey bees.
Honey भी मतलब मधु
Bees
मक्खी.
collect nectar, a sugary liquid from the flowers of plants and convert it into honey. The bees store this honey in the structures called hives. The hives containing honey are called honeycombs. We can see honeycombs attached to tall buildings or hanging from trees. Honey is collected from such honeycombs. What do animals eat? Unlike human beings, animals eat only a few types of food. Some animals eat plant materials like grass, leaves, or grains as food. Some eat the flesh of other animals, whereas some human beings or animals eat both plant food as well as the flesh of other.
यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है कि कुछ जो जानवर हैं वो सिर्फ ग्रास या लीव्स खाते हैं, तो उसे हम लोग हार्बीवोरस जानवर कहते हैं, और कुछ जानवर जो हैं वो मांस खाते हैं, उसे हम लोग कार्निवोरस जानवर कहते हैं, और कुछ जो है दोनों खाते हैं, बोथ प्लांट्स फूड एज वेल एज द फ्लेश, इसको हम लोग ओमनिवोरस कहते हैं. हार्बीवोरस मतलब शाकाहारी, जो साग सब्जी खाए, जैसे कि साग हो गया, ग्रास मतलब एक तरह साग ही हो, साग सब्जी खाए उसे शाकाहारी, जो मांस मछली खाए उसे मांसाहारी, और जो दोनों खाए वो सर्वाहारी, यानी सब चीज खाने वालों को सर्वाहारी कहते हैं.
Animals. Some of the common animals and the food which they eat are: 1. Cows and buffaloes eat grass, hay, oil cakes, or honey and grains. 2. Goats feed on green grass, leaves of plants, and grains. 3. Dogs eat plant food, such as chapati and bread, as well as animal food like meat and milk. 4. Cats eat small animals like rats and birds, such as pigeons, and also drink milk. 5. Rats eat grains, paper, and cloth. 6. Lions and tigers eat flesh of forest animals like rabbit and deer, etc. 7. Bears